Good morning, students. In chapter number 7, experiments with water, as you have noticed, so many experiments are given in the textbook. Today, we are going to do some of the experiments. This is the first experiment I am going to do. We will see, does lemon float on water or it sinks in water? For this, we will take lots of salt, 2 glasses of water, and lemon. Now we are going to do the experiment. Now we'll put lemon in the plain water. In the second glass, we'll put lot of salt and stir it. Now we'll put another lemon in the water. Now you can observe in the plain water the lemon totally sink, and in the salted water the lemon is floating. This happens because after putting salt into the water becomes thicker. This is the reason why lemon floats on water. Here's the next experiment we are going to do. For this, we will take a flattened dough, a puffed puri, 2 bowls filled with water. Now we are going to do the experiment. We will put the flattened dough into the water. Now you can see it sinks into the water. Now we will take a puffed puri. Now we'll see what happens. Now you can see it floats on water. Now in this experiment we will observe carefully what dissolves in water and what does not dissolve in water. For this we will take oil, salt, chalk powder, sand and 4 bowls of water. Now we'll put the first bowl chalk powder. In the second bowl we'll put salt. In the third bowl we'll put sand, and the fourth bowl we'll put oil. Now we will wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can notice that salt completely dissolves in water, whereas chalk powder, oil and sand did not dissolve in water. Now, my dear children, you can try with other substances in your home also.